If you're seeing itch.io error 134, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple fixes that can help you get back into your game or finish the installation without all the frustration. This issue is often caused by permission problems, security software blocking the installer, or the itch app itself running into a problem with the bootloader download process. The good news is, in most cases, you can fix it in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and gaming tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, close the itch app completely if it's open on your computer. You don't want it running in the background while you're troubleshooting. Once it's closed, find the itch shortcut on your desktop, or wherever you normally launch it from. Right-click on the shortcut, then look for the option that says Run as Administrator. If you see it, click that and allow the app to open with admin permissions. Running the app as administrator can solve a lot of problems because it gives itch the access it needs to install files properly and communicate with your system without being blocked. After launching itch with admin rights, try the action that was giving you the error again. If the installation starts working, then the issue was likely just a permissions problem. If you still get error 134, the next thing to check is your antivirus or firewall. Sometimes security software mistakenly blocks the bootloader installer or stops itch from connecting to the internet correctly. That can cause downloads to fail or make the app think something went wrong even when the game itself is fine. To test that, temporarily disable your antivirus and firewall. Make sure you do this carefully and only for the short time it takes to check whether they're causing the issue. After turning them off, go back to itch and try restarting the installation or launching the game again. If it works this time, then you found the cause. You may need to add itch.io or bootloader to your antivirus whitelist so the problem doesn't come back later. Now, if itch error 134 is still happening after that, there's another very reliable workaround. Bypass the app completely. Instead of using the itch client, open your browser and go directly to the itch.io website. Find the game you want, and if the developer has provided a direct downloadable version, download it as a zip file. Once the file finishes downloading, extract the zip to a folder on your computer. Then open the extracted folder and look for the game's .exe file. Double-click the .exe file to run the game directly without using the itch app. This manual method is especially useful when the launcher is the part causing the error. In many cases, the game itself is perfectly fine, and only the app installation process is failing. So if you're stuck, this is one of the fastest ways to get around the issue and keep playing. Let's quickly recap the fix. First, run itch as administrator. Second, temporarily disable antivirus or firewall protection to see if security software is interfering. And third, if needed, bypass the app and install the game manually from the itch.io website using the zip file and the game's executable. One of these steps usually solves error 134 for most users. If this video helped you fix the problem, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides, software tutorials, and gaming help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.